Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to reduce file size of photo in iPhone Air. So first open your photo gallery. I'm just select any photo, like I'm select this photo, and you just select any photo, like I'm select this photo. Press on to I option, then showing it to file size. I'm just reduce the size. Click on to share option. This method will work any iPhone. Press on save to file. Okay, you just select save location. I'm just select download location. Press on save. Okay, now successfully save this image my photo gallery to file apps. Open my file apps. Go to my download location. Now I'm recently add this image, showing it to file size. Okay, just long press this image, scroll down, then showing it to quick action. Press on and showing it to convert image. Click on, showing it to three different way: JPG, PNG or HIF. I'm just select JPG, and four different ways: small, medium, large and original. And just select original option. Okay, now successfully reduce size in the same image. So that's it.